Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma. I am an insurance surveyor and I would like to share with the general public at large. In case of a burglary, what are the things, what are the papers that are required by an insurance company or by the insurance surveyor who has been sent by them? In such a case, it has been noted that normal public, normal businessmen, normal household people, shopkeepers, they do not know what will be asked by the insurance company or by the surveyor. Normal insurance company does not come, only the insurance surveyor visits after he has been appointed by the insurance company. And the first thing he does is to take a stock taking of the balance items that is left after the burglary. So in such a case, he would make a list of all the items that is saved, so that is not stolen. Then this listing and all that he can sign on the bills. Suppose in case of a factory or a company, there will be items, so he can sign on the purchase bills and he can make a list of the items that has been saved. That list is being initialed or signed by the insurance surveyor. So that is the first thing he does as an insurance surveyor. Next, he would ask for a copy of the insurance policy to verify whether the items which has been stolen, whether they are covered under the policy or not. In such a case, he would ask for what are the policies, items that has been covered under the insurance policy, whether the stolen items are exactly mentioned in the insurance policy or not. So he would compare whether the burglary versus that the coverage in the insurance policy. That is the numbers two thing he does in the while he visits to the place where a burglary has taken place. Then he would ask for a copy of the FIR. Sometimes what happens, the police has just come, they are also investigating. It may take some time before the police also arrive at a conclusion. They can, police may issue the FIR maybe same day or next day or next to next day, or maybe after a few days, after thorough investigation. So FIR is the third paper that that the insured should give to the insurance surveyor. Number 4, that comes that insurance surveyor can take statement from the owner as to how the loss took place, how he is discovered, and maybe statement from the neighbors. All these things he can, relevant evidences he can collect relate to the place. And then he can take photographs also of the place of burglary, how the loss is taken, what is the status of the place after the burglary. Normally one should not try to disturb the situation or the place after the burglary. Let the survey come. After that, they can take care of the stock taking and all that. So one should not disturb the place of burglary after the loss. So these are the items. Then in case of a company and all that, the insurance surveyor can ask for purchase bills, books of accounts, stock register, and how the valuation is to be made of the stolen stock, what is the total stock. These are the different things that he can ask. So normally, what happens when the surveyor visits, he makes his own list. These are the papers I will be needing. Some paper he immediately gets, some paper he will get later on. But immediately he starts with, again will repeat it, verification of saved stock, policy copy, FIR. Then what is the bills of the items stolen. These are the basic papers that he needs in the initial. Then he can make a list of documents that is required by him. After he initially visits the place, it is a genuine case of loss and all that. He can make a list of items. These are the things. That will be including in this video. At the bottom you can find out these are the standard requirements. Or depending on the place to place, what type of burglary has taken place, what type of industry it is. Because same paper may not be required in all the same cases. It may vary from industry to industry, people to people, nature of losses and all that. That will be given in this case. So one should not be taken by surprise. That is our purpose. That what does an insurance surveyor ask in such a case when a burglary has taken place. So that is my purpose. So this is all mentioned in this book, in Insure and Be Secure. In this book you can find out. So my purpose is to explain what is being required by the insurance surveyor and all that.